Hey there. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects a lot of us at one time or another. Mouth ulcers. These pesky sores can make eating, drinking, and even talking painful. But don't worry. I'm here to show you how to cure mouth ulcers fast naturally with some simple, effective home remedies. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to get rid of mouth ulcers. Get rid of it! 1. Salt water rinse. One of the simplest and most effective remedies is a salt water rinse. Salt has natural antiseptic properties that can help reduce inflammation and speed up healing. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Take a mouthful of the solution and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. Spit it out and repeat this process 3 to 4 times a day. 2. Baking soda paste. Baking soda helps restore the pH balance in your mouth and reduces inflammation. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to the ulcer using a cotton swab. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing your mouth with water. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria causing the ulcer. Take a small amount of coconut oil on your fingertip. Gently apply it to the ulcer. Repeat this several times a day. 4. Honey. Honey is known for its natural healing properties and can help soothe the ulcer. Dab a small amount of honey directly onto the ulcer. Reapply 3 to 4 times a day. In fact, a study from 2014 by the Saudi Dental Journal found that honey can significantly reduce the pain and size of mouth ulcers. 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is another powerful natural remedy known for its anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. Apply the gel directly to the ulcer. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing your mouth with water. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. 6. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for a few minutes. Allow the tea bag to cool, then place it directly on the ulcer. Hold it there for about 5 minutes. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times a day. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt can help balance the bacteria in your mouth, promoting healing. Eat a cup of plain yogurt daily. Make sure the yogurt contains live probiotic cultures. 8. Zinc and vitamin B12. Deficiencies in zinc and vitamin B12 can lead to recurrent mouth ulcers. Supplementing these nutrients can help prevent and heal ulcers. Take a zinc lozenge or a vitamin B12 supplement daily. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Can you combine these remedies? These remedies are not necessarily meant to be used together. Each remedy can be effective on its own, and you can choose the one that suits you best or try different ones to see which works most effectively for you. However, it's generally safe to use multiple remedies in conjunction as long as you don't overdo it or cause irritation. Here's how you might structure using these remedies. Morning routine. Start your day with a salt water rinse to cleanse and reduce inflammation. Apply aloe vera gel after breakfast to soothe the ulcer. Midday. Use a baking soda paste after lunch to balance the pH and reduce bacteria. Eat a cup of yogurt as a snack to promote healthy bacteria in your mouth. Afternoon. Dab a bit of honey on the ulcer for its healing properties. After at least 3 hours, place a cooled chamomile tea bag on the ulcer for a few minutes to reduce pain and inflammation. Evening routine. Use coconut oil before dinner for its antimicrobial benefits. Before bed, do another salt water rinse. A few tips. Hydration. Keep yourself well hydrated throughout the day, as a dry mouth can worsen ulcers. Avoid irritants. Stay away from spicy, acidic, or rough foods that can aggravate the ulcer. Diet. Ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals in your diet to prevent deficiencies that can cause ulcers. Safety note. Always remember to listen to your body. If any remedy causes increased pain or irritation, discontinue use. If your mouth ulcers persist for more than 2 weeks, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare professional, as persistent ulcers can sometimes indicate more serious conditions. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips. Stay healthy and take care.